Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Lynn. Today I'm going to share with you a very aromatic green onion oil chicken or scallion oil chicken, and it's very easy to make. Before we cook, let me give a big shout out to Ray. He just had the 2 singles released globally on all the stream platforms and Spotify, Carol of the Bells, his amazing rendition, and also very jolly Jingle All the Way, just in time for holidays. Please check it out. I will leave the link below. Let us know how you like it. Good job, Ray.
Thank you.
Now let's cook. I have 1 chicken breast, about 12 ounces. You can use drumsticks or thighs to your own liking. And the key ingredients, of course, green onions, scallions. I have 6 stalks, so we need to have a few different cuts. I need 2 white part for poaching the chicken. Then we need to slice some white part like this, very thinly. So these are thinly sliced green onions, and rest of the green part we're going to chop finely. And I have 1 piece of ginger. We just need a few slices. That's about it. To enhance the flavor, you can add a few slices of onions. That's about it. Now we're ready to cook. I'm heating up about 4 cups of water and add our green onions, the white part, and ginger slices, Sichuan peppercorns. If you don't have it, you can use black peppercorn. And followed by our chicken breast. We're going to bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. We just flip it, make sure it's not sticking to the bottom, and add about 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Turn the heat to medium. Cover it. It's going to poach about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 16 minutes, I actually give an extra minute. Our chicken should be ready. How do you know? Either you can use a thermometer to test it. It should be 160 Fahrenheit, or Chinese way, we just poke into it. If there's no resistance and no pink, it's ready. Just take it out, set aside. Now we're ready to mix the oil, green onion oil. Just add about 2 tablespoons oil. I'm going to use avocado oil. First, we're going to add the white part of green onions, followed by our onions. Let it fry about 30 seconds. Now we add the green part of the green onions. Fry them together till they are golden brown. After a few minutes, our onions are golden brown, so turn off the heat. Now we have our green onions here. Just add a little bit of salt and soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. I have a strainer. Just pour the oil. And then just mix well. Now let's hand tear our chicken, or you can cut it. Like that. Ooh, still a little hot. Gloves on. Now let's plate it. So hand torn chicken. Then we need some color. Pretty, right? Yeah. Now let's pour our sauce over chicken. Wow. Beautiful. And we can garnish with some of the fried green onions and onions. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. That oil. So delicious.
So aromatic, isn't it? You can make a big batch of that oil. Can use noodles and salad, right? Very versatile oil, green onion, scallion oil. And ingredients so simple. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, or subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.